Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can put the SIM card in your SIM tray in Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So first you have to need a SIM tool ejector, this tool, and just you have to eject the SIM tray first, and now you have to pull out this tray, and here it is. You have to take this as SIM card 1. Here it is SIM card 1, and there it is SIM card 2 and SD card. If you are putting SIM 1 and SIM 2, you can't be set here SD card, so it will be SIM 1 SD card or SIM 1 SIM 2. Let's put in this slot, SIM 1 slot, like this, and then you have to put this in your SIM tray space, and you can see the network is on right now and mobile data is on. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.